Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the Mpeformance 335D Saloon. The vehicle itself is presented in the fantastic mineral grey, and alongside that it does come with a set of genuine 20-inch 405 alloy wheels that have been refurbished in gloss black. At the front of the car, as well as those lovely Mpeformance items, you'll see it is a 2017 17 plate, has got the LED headlamps down the side of the car, as well as those very eye-catching genuine BMW alloys. It does have the sun protection glazing on the rear windows, and everything works exquisitely nicely with all of the exterior colour, and of course the satin side vinyls, Mpeformance decals, and of course the satin sidebars. Moving on to show you the interior colour for this car, we've got a black Dakota leather, which in the front comes with both the heated and electric lumbar options, all very clean and tidy. Also has an 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and of course, keeping all of that power and torque planted to the road, we've got the fantastic, very sophisticated Xdrive four-wheel drive system on board. In the rear, you do get an ISOFIX 3-seat rear bench with a central folding armrest and a lovely darkened M Sport headlining once again. Everything inside this car matches the exterior for being very nicely presented. And we shall show you again these really nicely presented alloys. They really do suit the mineral grey very nicely. At the back, we do of course have a genuine rear spoiler and diffuser, and we shall open up the boot and show you just how large the area is on the F33 3 Series. This one fortunately also has a nice optional extra in the form of the split folding seats, which we'll demonstrate for you in just one second. Heading round to the other side of the car, again you can see how well that sun protection glazing works on the mineral grey, offering of course protection alongside a very executive look. And I'll quickly of course just demonstrate that split folding seat action for you. Of course it is always nice to have that in a saloon vehicle because it does give you that little bit more adaptation and of course freedom to have larger items in your boot. And I shall now go ahead and take a seat inside the car and just run yourselves through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. We've also got the power folding mirrors on the car, so we can control that of course using that little button there, or of course holding the lock button on our key fob. Situated inside the car is the professional wide navigation and media screen. So we'll run you through the couple of screens on that. Of course, starting with the sat-nav, which utilises real-time traffic updates to keep us on the fastest route possible. Both Bluetooth audio and telephone, and a wide array of multimedia inputs, as you can see all there listed, including the music collection, AUX, and this vehicle also comes equipped with the option of the online entertainment. Going back to the main menu, in just one second, I'll show you all of the service requirements and service history for this wonderful 335D. The car itself's covered just over 51,000 miles, as you can see there. I did of course mention about the superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, hence the flappy pedals on the multifunction steering wheel. Cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls all on there as well. And going through into my vehicle, as you can see, everything has got the green icon indicating everything has got plenty of life left in it in terms of its service life. 18,000 miles till next service, and does have comprehensive full BMW service history as well. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch our walk around video for the 335D with full BMW Mperformance Kit. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and found it useful, and hopefully we'll see yourselves very soon. If you do of course want to get in touch with us, we'll be happy to help in any way we can. You'll find our contact details in the description, along with our link to our website for you to take a look at this car in more detail should you want to. Thank you very much, and do of course take care. Thank you, goodbye.